Hi guys, this is Abdulaziz Al Sohani. So here we go is the video about the Windows 7 installation, specifically Windows 7 32-bit. So, but if you didn't watch the IEN's interview with me, or I mean the IEN TV's interview with me, then you should watch the IEN TV interview with me. So here's the another Windows 7 installation. And today we're going to install Windows 7, or specifically 32-bit Windows 7 on VMware. So click New Virtual Machine or Control N. So the custom or typical. So you can click browse and then find the ISO. In this case, AGO projects. You can find the Windows ISO needed for this video. But once again, I'm gonna pause again because I don't want to make you stare at this product screen. So coming back. So save virtual machine name Windows 7 AGR video. So here we go. In this case, I'm going to use the drive E, which is going to be a directory. So what you tell these click drive E, which is a drive folder, AGO projects, this is the demo video. Yeah, I know this is a hard drive, but I'm just gonna use it for now. I just don't know. Look, I feel like I'm mixing up. I feel like I'm mixing up. I don't know. I'm just using it for now. Then click next. Store single file. I'm gonna enter 120 gigabytes for now. Then click next. Then you can see I'm gonna customize. You see memory 4 gigs because that's what maximum 32-bit Windows can address. And your sound card, yes, we need sound because sound is very important. And printer, which is just for the virtual printers kind of thing. Another thing, yeah, 1 gigs, yeah. Memory processors and that seems to be all good. So let's do. So it's ready to install some Windows 7. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. So I'm gonna pause that. So yeah, that's ready to install. So here I'm going to install Windows 7. So we'll go. Oops, I'm sorry. I have to optimize the window a little bit. But how the hell it doesn't even boot? How? So here we go. Here's the Windows 7. I have to stretch the guest because. But even then, what the? So this means I have to do things a lot. I don't want to spoil because of the the trademarks. How? Is there any way to do it? Frick. I'm just gonna increase the recording thing. Because yes, installing Windows 7. Yeah, it's ready to install Windows 7. Oh my god, sorry. There's always going to be mistakes. So alright, here we go. We decided to install Windows 7. Yay. So starting Windows. So setup is updating registry settings. So you can immediately see how the setup is starting services, and yeah, it's a completing installation, which is like initial configures, you know, the computer. So to run thing Windows 7, like the boot record, and it to be able to boot, like install things, you know, like the boot record and things, all that like stuff. But they even initialize its, you know, installation to be bootable. So, but I'm not sure about how it does the things. But so one collecting information that and you can see the logos and, you know, like that. And you can go black, you know, something like that. You know, what about full screen? And you know, just to try, you know, just for fun. For now, I'm just gonna try window one day. You know, there's some things that's you know, it's a completing installation. That's what I'm trying to do. So it's a completing installation, but I'm not gonna stare at this take time, since it can take a while. So I'm just pause again, and we'll be back. Starting Windows 7. Hey, we got a little startup screen. Setup is checking video performance, which is going to. Setup is checking video performance, which I assume is going to be. And there's always the orange and yellowish, yellowish thing. I don't know, but you see, the prepare the desktop, which have the icons of the screen and the store buttons and theme and something, there's just a beautiful, green leaf. So preparing your desktop, although it does take a little bit while, so you can see. So that's what you can see, how it does take a while. So you know how you should prepare this desktop. Oh, there it is. Here's a good old Windows 7 desktop. Yeah, it's a home network, and connect to your network and applying the setting, which is, I assume it's going to be like that. This computer is connected to a network. Windows will automatically create a network based on network location. Documents. Nobody needs, especially consumers. No consumer needs one. P3055H2G. And yes, it's installing VMware tools. It's the setup. It's installing things like VMware tools and things like video drivers and that, and so it says VMware tools installs some things for this VMware machine, like for this specific machine, like being able to, but I know it does take a while, so I have to pause that and we'll be back. Oh yeah, so that's restarting the computer, but then we have to do some certain things like putting the games folder and that kind of stuff, because we need that. But we're gonna have to do some other stuff like adding the games folder. So it turns out that will be going to be more than just a Windows 7 installation video. So start, just start menu. So I'm gonna searching the Windows features on or off. Windows feature, turn Windows feature on and off. Oops, sorry. So turn Windows feature on and off. To turn the feature off, yes, I'm gonna click games. yes, the games, that's what we need. And some things, yeah, we don't need things something else. So I'm gonna click games, so you can select these games, click OK. So it says please wait while makes changes to users. This might take several minutes, but it's more like varies depending, there's some inaccuracies and yes, we now added these games. So yeah, I think we're going to play some proper plays. Beginner. So, proper plays. Then click this one, which is this thing. And click right and right. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it, and do things today, and have you heard things, my Twitter account, and if you didn't watch the IEN TV's channel's interview with me, both me and Medged, then you should watch that interview, because that features me and also Medged. So yeah, thanks for watching.